Hello everyone. So today I'm here with the question bank on the topic rivers of Jammu and Kashmir. So I have brought some questions related to this topic. Let's start. The first question is the Indus River originates near. So the Indus River originates from Mansarovar Lake in Tibet. Next one is the Jhelum River originates from. The origin of Jhelum River is Verinag Spring. Okay, so the next question is which river is known as Vitasta? Ancient name. Which river has the ancient name Vitasta? So the right answer is Jhelum. Jhelum's ancient name is Vitasta. The next one is Chenab River is formed by the confluence of. Chenab is formed by the confluence of two rivers, which is Chandra and Bhaga River, that originates from Baralachela Pass. Next one is Ravi River originates near. So the Ravi River originates near Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh. The next question is Tavi River is a tributary of. Tavi River is the largest tributary of Chenab River, which is a lifeline of Jammu. Which river flows through Srinagar? So Ravi flows in Himachal Pradesh, border of J&K, and then move to Pakistan. Chenab flows in Jammu division, whereas Jhelum flows in Srinagar. So the right answer is Jhelum River. Which river flows through Jammu city? The answer will be Tavi River. It flows through Jammu city. The longest river associated with J&K. So the longest river that associated with J&K is the Chenab River. Which river system dominates in J&K? So the Indus River system dominates in J&K. Indus River with its tributaries. Which river flows through Ladakh? Ravi, no. Jhelum in Srinagar, Tavi in Jammu, whereas Indus River flows through Ladakh. Kishanganga River is also known as. Kishanganga River is also known as Neelam in POK, which is a Kishanganga is a tributary of Jhelum and it is also known as Neelam. Which river is called Chandrabhaga? Chandrabhaga. Chenab River is known as Chandrabhaga. Next question is which river has the highest hydroelectric potential in J&K? And the answer is Chenab River. The Indus River system enters India through. So Indus River system, this is India, this is Tibet, and from Tibet it enters to India at Damchok in Ladakh. Okay. The next one is which tributary joins Ladakh at Wular Lake? Jhelum की कौन सी tributary join करती है Jhelum को at Wular Lake? The answer is Sindh River. The next question is which river flows through Baramulla? So the answer is Jhelum flows through Baramulla. Which river forms part of India-Pakistan border? So India-Pakistan का जो border बनाती है river, it is Jhelum River. Which river originates near Baralacha Pass? So answer is Chenab River and they originate as Chandra and Bhaga River. Next one is which of the following is not a part of Indus system? Ravi is a part of Indus system. Jhelum is a tributary of Indus. Chenab is a tributary of Indus, but Yamuna is a tributary of Ganga. So the right answer is D, which is Yamuna. Arrange west to east. Okay, we have to arrange it west to east. पहले मैं बना लेती हूँ. जैसे ये क्या है Indus, फिर इसको ज्वाइन करेगी Jhelum. Jhelum ज्वाइन कर, फिर आएगी Chenab, then comes Ravi, then comes Satluj. ठीक है. So west से हम अगर देखें तो Indus, then is Jhelum, Chenab, then Ravi. Indus, Jhelum, Chenab and Ravi. Option A is the correct answer. Which river flows through Doda and Kishtwar? The answer is Chenab River. Which is the right bank tributary of Jhelum? Sindh is a right bank tributary of Jhelum. Rest of them are left bank tributaries. Which river ultimately drains into Arabian Sea via Indus? Look, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum, they all are ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ इंडस. इफ इंडस ड्रेन्स इनटू अरेबियन सी, तो ये सारी भी कहाँ पे ड्रेन होंगी? अरेबियन सी में. तो आंसर इज all of the above. Which river is known as Askini? So the answer is yes, Chenab. Chenab का जो ancient name है, it is Askini. Next one is Jhelum river flows through which lake? So Jhelum river flows through Buller Lake. Which river is called the lifeline of Kashmir? Yes, the answer is B part. The lifeline of Kashmir is Jhelum river. Which river is called the lifeline of Jammu? जम्मू की अगर लाइफलाइन की बात करें, इट इज तवी रिवर. किशन गंगा रिवर जॉइंस झेलम एट. अब जो ये किशन गंगा रिवर है, विच इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ झेलम, इट जॉइंस झेलम एट बारामूला डिस्ट्रिक्ट. विच रिवर फ्लोज बिटवीन काराकोरम एंड लद्दाख रेंज? सो काराकोरम, लद्दाख एंड यांस्कर रेंज, और इसके बीच में से फ्लो होती है Indus river. So the correct answer is Indus. Which of the following is a tributary of Chenab? Tavi is a tributary of Chenab, whereas Lidar, Sindh and Pohru are the tributaries of Jhelum. ठीक है. Next one is which river originates in Tibet? Jhelum कहाँ है? श्रीनगर में, वेरीनाग में, सॉरी इन अनंतनाग डिस्ट्रिक्ट. रावी हिमाचल प्रदेश, रोहतंग पास. इंडस जो है वो ओरिजिनेट होती है तिब्बत में, near मानसरोवर लेक. विच रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू अ पीर पंजाल? कौन सी रिवर फ्लो करती है पीर पंजाल रेंज से? तो वो चिनाब भी है, झेलम भी है, रावी है. तो द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. विच रिवर डज नॉट फ्लो थ्रू कश्मीर वैली? कश्मीर वैली से कौन सी रिवर फ्लो नहीं करती है? दिस इज रावी रिवर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच रिवर इज द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ इंडस सिस्टम? तो इनमें से अगर बात करें तो रावी इज द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ इंडस सिस्टम. अगर सतलज होता तो आंसर विल बी द सतलज. विच पेयर इज करेक्टली मैच्ड? कौन सा पेयर जो है वो करेक्टली मैच्ड है? झेलम, इरावती बोलते हैं, नहीं. इरावती इज अ नेम ऑफ रावी. रावी का वितास्ता है, नहीं. वितास्ता किसका है? झेलम का है. चिनाब का चंद्रभागा है, यस. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी पार्ट. अस्कनी जो है वो चिनाब का. ठीक है. विच रिवर हैज मैक्सिमम लेंथ विद इन JNK? JNK की अगर बात करें तो इट इज चिनाब रिवर. विच ट्रिब्यूटरी जॉइन झेलम नियर अनंतनाग? अनंतनाग के पास कौन सी रिवर उसे ज्वाइन करती है? इट इज लिदर रिवर. विच रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू डीप जॉर्ज? तो अगर डीप जॉर्ज की बात करें, इट इज द चिनाब रिवर. डीप जॉर्ज बिटवीन किश्तवाड़, डोडा. ठीक है. विच इज नॉट द लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ झेलम? सो सिंध. अभी क्वेश्चन आया था ऊपर, राइट बैंक के लिए पूछा तो हमने सिंध को मार्क किया था. तो सिंध इज अ राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी. ओके. सो कुछ और भी क्वेश्चंस हैं तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखते हैं. टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर.